Hello people, it's me Skylar, and today I am going to do Jackie and the Secret of the Waterfall. So this is Bliss, her best friend, and this is Jackie, of course. So today we start at the camp. Come on, let's go choose some horses. Alright. Mine. Then I guess this is mine. I feel like it's almost night soon, right? Let's see. Oh, it is night. Okay, let's get our bed set up. I want to sit up on the rocks for some reason. All right. Night. Night. No, she doesn't believe me about the waterfall. Let's see. Go to the billboard. Alright. I've seen that billboard many times, but I've never seen anything different about it. That's so weird. Okay, let's see. A crow, squirrel, and a toad. Alright. Let's see what I can do. This thing is. Oh, I forgot to get Bliss. Bliss, wake up, wake up! What is it? It's the middle of the night. Come on, get on a bathing suit. All right. Come on, and then get in the lake. Look. Oh, cool. But I should just get her out. I've heard about this. So you do believe me? Ow, my eyes. Oh, ow. Oh. Thank you for saving us. You saved us from the evil wizard spell that trapped us here. And one of you may have the alicorn. Mine. Aww. But you must disguise its horn. People will be looking for us. They will? Yes, they will. Now, if you would just leave that lamp in here, we will be totally fine. And just close the waterfall. And don't let anyone see us. And bring us food. Okay. All right. We'll close the waterfall, and sometimes we'll bring you food. As long as we can keep this alicorn. All right. Yes, you may. Come on, we should get them food. No, we should go to sleep. But it's almost morning. I mean, it is morning. Ugh. Really? Really, Jackie? Really? Yes. How convenient. I just wanted some sleep. Come on. We have to take her and put her in the carriage so no one sees her. Horn. Yes. Come on. We should go to the... I was about to say stables, by the way. spider in. Okay, let's see. Mask, perfect. What would match her? Yes, plain, but nice. Oh wait, I can't put on plain. Come on, Alicorn. Nice. Why don't we spend some time here? All right. Hey, wait. I'm gonna make you match. No, not that frilly dress. Oh, come on. Why did it have to be a frilly dress? Nope, never ever. All right. Let's take these. The end. Did you like this video? If you did, subscribe. If you didn't, I suggest that you don't watch it again.